Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to create your own tabs in Microsoft Word. So as you can see, Home, Insert, Design, Layout. These are few tabs which contain groups like clipboard, font, paragraphs, and these are again divided into various functions and options. So without further ado, let's check our topic. So first of all, we have to go to the File tab, Options, Customize ribbon. Now you have this option New tab. Just click New tab and select the New tab Custom and rename it, or you can even leave it alone. I renamed it as My tab, so just click OK. And now if you see, I have my tab, which is my tab, but there are no groups or any functions in it. So just go back to File, Options, Customize ribbon. Now I want to add a group, or I want to add various controls in my tab. So I will just add some random controls. That should be enough. So now there are few controls. You can add any which you need every now and then. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.